Hello, my name is Pearl. I have very pursed lips. I am in Guinness, the book with the records for my pursed lips being the most pursed lips in the world. Sometimes I like to eat my biscuits with my tea, but I cannot fit them in my pursed lips because my lips are so pursed. Pursed with a P, as in pineapple, not a B, like butter or bunion, not like Paul Bunyan, but Paul Bunyan's name does start with a P, which is also what pursed starts with, because my lips are pursed. I haven't seen my teeth in so long. I miss you, teeth. 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 Look at my pursed lips. Oh, pursed. Not like a purse, like a handbag. Because I do not carry a handbag purse. I just have pursed lips. Good day.